Welcome to my junkie closet, y'all. This is it. If the last time we were here, I was giving you guys a tour of the closet and all of that good stuff. If you missed that video, I think it's like a year or two ago, maybe I made it. I think last year, where I actually put this closet together. And then I'll leave that link down below for you guys. But yeah, this is what we have here. A basket of clothes that I gotta put away. Some go in the closet, some go in the drawers. And I'm just gonna get started cleaning it up, okay? Let's start on the floor. Okay guys, so I just finished the closet. I'm gonna give you guys a quick view. So I just went in and did this is really just straightening it up. I'm still gonna go in and clean this because this is dirty AF. Look at that, that's disgusting. So I'm gonna clean this off. I'm gonna reorganize this, but I didn't want to put that in the video because it's gonna take too long. I don't know exactly how I want to reorganize it, but I'm gonna reorganize this shelf here, and then I'm gonna reorganize these as well. Get rid of some of the glasses that I don't wear. I have a lot of sunglasses and some of them I don't even wear. This is pretty much the state of my closet the way it normally looks. If you missed my nail video, this is where I ended up keeping my nail tower here with all of my goodies. All my nail supplies are here. And then this here, this is just extra stuff. I have so much stuff. My closet is just not big enough. So I try to just organize it the best I can. These are all of the items that I would... Sorry guys, my battery died. I don't know where I was in the explanation, but this is my nail tower. If you missed my last video, this is where I keep all of my nails, nail supplies, all of my dips and everything. I was thinking about doing like a nail kind of like tour. If you guys are interested in that, let me know. This here is just for extra stuff. I don't have a lot of room in my closet, so I just try to make the best of it. It's all my hair stuff, all of my overflow of products that I use right now regularly. Like I have a rotation, and then I already decluttered my closet like a couple months ago. I took out all the clothes that I know I'm not gonna wear anytime soon, but I didn't want to get rid of. I took those out, and I also got rid of some, but I took those out and I stored them. And then these are my purses. They're arranged a little bit differently from when I first did this video. Obviously it's been a year, and then I've accumulated some more shoes and stuff too over the year as well. And I just kind of, so you know, every now and again I'll rearrange it, but like, see this double shoe situation, I want to keep all these shoes where they are, so I don't know exactly what to do about that. I don't know what to do. I don't know how to organize it so that it looks neater yet. But really cleaning in depth this closet, other than just cleaning this glass shelf, I really need to remove all the shoes, clean each shelf. But that I'm gonna save for another day because it is Sunday night and I need to edit this video. And then I also need to post it and spend some time with my family. Sorry, that was crooked. That was real crooked. Sorry, y'all. That was bad camera. I'm sorry. I'm gonna leave this here. I will see you guys in my next actual video. I'm gonna really try to dig down, and it's been hard being creative, y'all. And I spoke about that in this. I have a vlog that's gonna be coming out, so check that out if you want to see where I've been, as where my head has been lately. But just know it's been hard trying to be creative these past few weeks, but I tried to put something together for y'all today, so I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Oh, also I still need to do my bathroom reveal, but it's just been taking a while, me trying to figure out how I want to add a little bit of decor on the walls. Has really been my struggle, but I promise I will finalize. I will give you guys a part 2 and show you guys the bathroom reveal once it's finished, and then yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.